Namaste, welcome to Healingchamp channel. Let us begin day 17 meditation. Today's session is about compassion for yourself, the gentle path to say goodbye to addictions. Instead of fighting the habit, we will nurture the part of you that has been hurting. Find a comfortable seat. Keep your spine relaxed yet straight. Feet grounded on the floor and gently close your eyes if you feel comfortable. If you can, do little chin up like this, then close your eyes like that. Take a slow, deep breath in and slowly exhale. Allow your body to soften, your shoulders to relax, and your mind to settle into this moment. If possible, keep your left hand on your heart and right hand on your belly. This will form a circuit. While observing your breath, keep your focus on your heart as heart balances below three chakras and above three chakras. And let us invite on your right side, let us invite all the gurus, Paramaguru and Parameshti Guru, all the divine masters. I totally, completely surrender to my divine master. I totally and completely surrender to my divine guru. There is a possibility when you invite divine guru, there will be little heat in the body. That's fine. It's bearable. Observe your breath. I totally, completely surrender to my Guru, Paramaguru and Parameshti Guru. Sharpens my logical mind, gives consciousness, who gives me lot of knowledge and who helps me to walk to divine light and love. Keep your eyes closed. In this video, there is no music, as music distracts your observing your breath. This is a quiet meditation. I now invite Mother Sarveswari from your right side. From your left side. I invite Mother Sarveswari. From my left side, I invite Mother Sarveswari and I totally and completely surrender to my Mother Sarveswari. Mother Sarveswari brings lot of joy, peace, love, intuition, emotional balancing, emotional intelligence, and all the love that is divine. As she brings in now, your subconscious mind raises to your conscious mind. Both are balancing. When both subconscious and conscious mind are balanced, your inner divinity, your soul, calls out for Lord Ganesha. Your Lord Ganesha attaches the soul to divine soul, that is supreme soul. I totally, completely surrender to Lord Ganesha. And I want to say thank you and gratitude to Mother Sarveswari, Lord Ganesha, and Guru, Paramaguru, and Parameshti Guru. Now, Mother Sarveswari draws a divine, energetic shield. This is a protective shield around us. In this shield, no one enters it except you and your divine souls, masters, and guides. In this divine shield, I entered with my Guru, Paramaguru, Parameshti Guru, and Mother Sarveswari and Lord Ganesha. I now invite all my divine masters, guides, my angels, who helps me to reach my higher divine purpose. I now request Lord Ganesha to transport me to divinity. As I transported to divinity, I entered into divine space. It is way above all the planets, cosmos. It's in ninth plane. Where I merged myself into divine supreme soul. As I merged into divine supreme soul gave me divine knowledge. With that divine knowledge, I open myself